The Ministry of Home Affairs in New Delhi has sought a report from the West Bengal government and the Haryana government on the nun rape case and the church attack case, respectively, in these two states. A 72-year-old nun was gang raped, brutally assaulted in Bengal. What we are being told is the Bengal Chief Minister, Mamata Banerjee, is now on her way to Nadia, to the ground, to see what exactly happened and what are investigations like. 10 people have been detained, and these are pictures you see on your television screen. These are the men who are alleged to have barged in and carried out the dastardly act. 10 people have now been detained. They haven't been officially arrested. They were not officially arrested till some hours back. They were being questioned. At least 2 of those 10 match the description of the 2 men you see from these CCTV cameras. There was outrage, not just in Bengal, but across the country. The issue was raised in Parliament. The left demanded the strongest possible action against the perpetrators in this case. Headlines Today's Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu now joins me with the latest on both these stories. Kamal, take us through the latest developments in the Bengal story first.
Well, at this point of time, Gaurav, this is a very sensitive case, and Ministry of Home Affairs has taken a very serious cognizance of the case, and that is why they're seeking a report on this. And remember, there is an uncomfortable equation as far as West Bengal government and the centre are concerned, but this is obviously a law and order situation, and that is how Ministry of Home Affairs, being the nodal agency, has asked for a particular report.
Okay. For a moment, let's just shift focus to Haryana before we come back to you for more on Bengal. Once again in Haryana, the Home Ministry sought a report from the Haryana government on the church attack. There were a series of church attacks in Delhi. Suddenly after elections, they stopped. Now a church attack in Hisar. What more do we know of it?
Well, Gaurav, there have been a series of attacks on churches across India, and there has been a concern raised by a Christian community as such. But what we also know is that there has been a recent incident of attack in Haryana, in Hisar in particular. We also spoke to Sri Ravi Shankar, who said this is not just about Ghar Wapasi, this is about miscreants. And obviously the same line was maintained by Delhi. But at this point of time, serious questions being raised. And remember, even Narendra Modi had to come out and obviously speak and give assurance to the minority community. But we've seen cases coming up to light. And that is why this is being seen in a serious view. And if the report has been sought from the West Bengal government, the report in a similar line has also been sought from the Haryana government on this particular case. But our sources clearly indicate that this was an under construction church. Many of the locals didn't know that there was a church which was being built, but some of them are obviously saying contrary. So there has to be investigation as to did the people were really aware of this particular aspect, that this was a church which was under construction or otherwise. But in any case, there have been a series of attacks across the country, which remains a serious cause of concern.
Kamaljeet Kaur Sandhu, for the moment, many thanks for joining me.